To all those people looking for the job, for the first job in their life, or maybe changing from one position to a different position, I will give you a few steps that will take you ahead of most of the candidates. So thing number one is going to be you need to approach. It's actually like it is later here, but like I don't care. You should approach this sale as you're selling yourself to the company, especially if you're applying for sales or for BD, and you're not doing all of this. That's not good. You should be proactive because everybody loves the people that are initiative. Find the hiring manager, message them, introduce yourselves, put yourself on the plate, be blunt. Tell that, hey, I want to be at your position because I want to be that. I know that I'm the best salesperson, and here's the evidence: A, B, and C. Show how can you write messages. Show how you can personalize. Show how you can position yourself as the best hire against other candidates. Talk to the people that work in the same team that you want to join. Ask them about how it is working in this company, in this manager. What do they see valuable? What do they think is the problem? How can the problem be solved? Why the problem wasn't solved? And then go and present something to your hiring manager that would put them in a position where telling you no is going to be very hard and stupid decision, because you're like the hiring manager is thinking, how can I make sure that the person that I hire is one, gonna perform, and then second, they're gonna perform consistently. Specifically, I'm talking about sales. In other engineering and others, I think it's dissimilar. People really care, can you perform and can you do it consistently? So whatever proof you can do in your sales process, in your interviewing process, to show that you are the best person, the most capable of doing the job, the better it is for you. Because if you're just if you're the person that just applies through the website and then waits until they are reached out, and then you do something like just staying cool in the process and then like just answering questions that the people ask you and that's it, you're probably not going to make it, because it doesn't matter how good you are, specifically in sales, if you cannot sell yourself, then it leaves very little probability that you can sell the solution. So for the hiring manager, specifically in BD and sales, there is no way. If you want to get the position that you want, you need to go and you need to actually get it. Nobody will give it to you. You need to get it. And in order to get it, you need to take your hand and reach for it. And reaching for it means showing initiative, that you can do the job, that you want to do the job, that you are able to do the job consistently, and possessing the skill and will. That's it. Web3 Sales Gym, all the links are in description. Your friends, family, likes, subscriptions, money, donations, bitcoins, anything you want to send my way, no worries. I'm gonna leave my contact below. See you.